The popularity of tattooing continues to rise, with both professionals and beginners seeking tools that deliver precision, durability, and ease of use. Much like mechanical keyboards attract typists and gamers with their switch quality, build, and value, tattoo machines are judged by power, comfort, control.
List number 1. Mast Fold 2 Pro Tattoo Gun Wireless Rotary Tattoo Pen Machine. The Mast Fold 2 Pro is a high-end tattoo machine designed for professional use. Its wireless rotary system gives artists complete freedom of movement, eliminating cord restrictions that can slow down work. The pen-style design provides an ergonomic grip, making it comfortable for extended sessions. Powered by a long-lasting battery, it ensures consistent voltage and smooth needle strokes, reducing skin trauma for clients. One of the most impressive features is its adjustable stroke length, which allows tattooists to switch seamlessly between lining, shading, and coloring. The German-made motor delivers powerful performance while remaining whisper quiet, adding to both artist and client comfort. The digital display shows voltage and battery life clearly, helping professionals maintain full control over their work. While it comes at a premium price, the Mast Fold 2 Pro is well worth it for serious artists who demand precision and versatility. Its wireless function.
List number 2. Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit Cordless Cord Complete Tattoo. The Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit is an excellent option for both beginners and professionals. This kit includes a cordless tattoo pen that runs on a rechargeable power supply, but also offers corded compatibility when needed. Its versatile design ensures consistent performance across lining, shading, and blending, making it a well-rounded machine for artists at all levels. The motor is lightweight yet powerful, ensuring smooth and quiet operation. Many users appreciate the low vibration, which reduces hand fatigue during long sessions. The included cartridges are compatible with most brands, giving tattooists the freedom to choose their preferred needles. Its battery provides several hours of work on a single charge, and the simple voltage adjustment system makes it beginner-friendly. The biggest appeal of the Dragonhawk L3 is its value for money. It's affordable yet durable, making it ideal for learners and budget-conscious artists. While it may not match the Mast Fold 2 Pro in terms of advanced features, it's a highly dependable starter kit that doesn't compromise on quality.
List number 3. 300 DPI Tattoo Stencil Printer Machine. While not a tattoo gun, the 300 DPI Tattoo Stencil Printer is an essential tool for every tattoo studio. It allows artists to transfer designs quickly and accurately onto stencil paper, saving time and ensuring precision. With its high-resolution 300 DPI printing, the outlines are crisp, detailed, and easy to apply to the skin. This machine eliminates the need for manual stencil drawing, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. It supports multiple connectivity options, including USB and wireless, making it compatible with smartphones, tablets, and computers. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, fitting seamlessly into both home studios and professional setups. Users particularly appreciate the efficiency. Designs that would normally take 15 to 20 minutes to draw by hand can be transferred in under a minute. This saves valuable time during busy sessions and helps artists focus more on actual tattooing. Although it doesn't tattoo.
List number 4. The Tattoo Gun Kit Cartridge Tattoo. The Tattoo Gun Kit Cartridge Tattoo is designed for beginners who want a complete set without investing heavily up front. This kit typically includes a rotary tattoo pen, cartridges, power supply, and basic accessories, giving learners everything they need to start practicing immediately. The pen itself is compact, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, mimicking the feel of a real pen for easy maneuvering. It provides stable performance with minimal noise, making it less intimidating for first-time tattooists. The cartridges are user-friendly, offering easy installation and consistent ink flow for practice designs. This kit shines in affordability and accessibility. It allows learners to experiment with lining and shading techniques without the high cost of professional-grade machines. However, it is best suited for practice skin rather than clients, as it lacks the advanced motor power and precision of higher-end models. For aspiring tattooists or hobbyists,
List number 5. Wormhole Tattoo Gun Tattoo Kit. The Wormhole Tattoo Kit is one of the most popular beginner-friendly kits available. It includes a rotary tattoo gun, cartridges, power supply, foot pedal, inks, and practice materials, offering a complete all-in-one package for apprentices. The machine operates smoothly and has an ergonomic design that reduces vibration, making it comfortable for long hours of use. The power supply is adjustable, giving learners the ability to experiment with different voltage settings to see how they affect lining and shading. Its plug-and-play design ensures anyone can set it up in minutes. What makes Wormhole stand out is the quality-to-price ratio. It's affordable, yet the build quality exceeds many other budget kits. The included instructional materials also help guide beginners through their first tattoos, making the learning curve easier to manage.